Students everyone, today I am going to explain that is topic chapter name is states of matter. The mainly states of matter is explain types of forces. Based on the types of forces we discover the laws. In this topic compulsory one question compulsory in JEE or NEET exam. That means 4 marks. 4 marks will ask JEE or NEET. NEET most of the time they are theoretical questions from this area. That is they have the intermolecular forces usually called as van der Waals forces. Now based on these forces, there are forces of different types. Intermolecular forces are different types. Now states of matter. In this one we'll explain only mainly types of matters, the types of the molecule, the intermolecular forces between the molecules in the matter, and also based on these forces what type of laws we discuss, all will learn in this topic. Now we have based on intermolecular forces we have the different laws. That is first different types of forces. First one is London forces. London or dispersion force. London or dispersion forces. Now what is meant by London or dispersion force means instantaneous dipole on the one atom can be affected by electron distribution in the neighboring atoms. Induce the temporarily in those atoms. Now mainly London forces energies in their range, energy range between 1 to 10 kilojoule per mole, and it also depends on polarization. It is also polarizability and geometry of the molecule. It depends on polarization and geometry of the molecule. And these small molecules or atoms are less polarized as small dispersive phase. Now the large molecular heavier molecule having more polarizable and they have large dispersive force. For example, F2 is as a small dispersive force when compared to I2 is a small molecule, they are having a small polarization. The large molecule is having large dispersive force. Now this is the always attractive forces is and proportional to 1 by r power 6. The r is the distance between interactive particles. The distance between interactive particles. And now some example, that is example N-pentane boiling point is that is a 309.4 Kelvin. It is like a long chain it is having. Now 2,2 dimethyl propane. This is a boiling point is 282.7 Kelvin. Now it is a chain, it is having chain branches having. In this one they have see here the boiling point is branches increase, chain increase, that is boiling point is decrease. Now in the London process the London forces, dispersion force increase, dispersion force increase with the size or molecular weight, size and molecular weight, and surface area also increase, and number of electron also. This is about the London forces. Now next one I am going to explain dipole forces. These dipole forces mainly because of attractive force between the unlike dipoles and repulsive dipole forces, it will be rises. In this case, the energy will be 3 to 4 kilojoule per mole. It is mainly because of attractive and repulsive force. Like, unlike, like. It is unlike forces, like forces. Then the strength of the dipole interaction depends on size of dipole moment, and also the molecule is more polar. The molecule is more polar and dipole also interactions are more. Dipole also interactions are also more. And see one example, that is HCl. Now in this case here, hydrogen positive, chlorine partial negative. It is a partial positive and partial negative. In this case they have there is a dipole forces rises. Here also dipole forces rises. Here also dipole forces rises. In this case they are the polarity of the molecule increases, dipole force also increases. In this case dipole interactions, the range between dipole, the range is, that is r cube, 1 by r cube, and that is a 1 over r cube, the range. It is a between the interaction between the rotating molecule. It is a 1 power r power 3. Now third one that I am going to explain, that is dipole induced dipole forces. This mainly explain between the force is present between polar molecule and neutral molecule. The forces are present between the polar is the dipole, induced dipole means neutral molecules, the force between, and also this is a permanent dipole. That is a, like we can call as permanent dipole. Of the molecule induced dipole, electrically they are neutral. The molecule is induced dipole forces is developed.